Welcome to Fox 47's Morning Blend.
All right, Mary, are you a CTA?
If that is a certified taster of almonds, then yes. What's a CTA?
Well, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to introduce you to Julie Pinkston with the Greater Lansing Convention and Visitors Bureau. What's a CTA?
A CTA is a certified tourism ambassador for our community. So we started this program about 4 years ago when we had a lot of people that work with visitors in our community have questions come up and they weren't quite informed enough to answer them, and just be able to tell a visitor what's happening, what's going on, what's the new things in our community, to be able to get those visitors to really truly enjoy their experience even more than they did before. So it just adds that extra element of knowledge to our frontline hospitality staff.
So how many CTAs do we have in the area?
So we have about 500. I think 502 right here will be coming up soon, right?
We need to take the class.
Right.
Okay, so tell us about the class. How difficult is it? What do we need to do?
So it's not difficult, but it is a certification, so there's a short quiz/exam at the end. Don't get too much anxiety over that. Right. But we have facilitators that teach this 4-hour class. They go over how to know more about the community, help visitors, a little bit of customer service, and then you take that short little test at the end. And then it doesn't end with just that day, just that class. We continue to educate and provide information so that people can stay engaged and know more about the community.
I think that's great to get people just to know more about their community.
Well, any community, and I love Lansing, so I think it's wonderful. We're so lucky to live in Michigan, and Lansing's such a great town, and we have so much going on. You, of all people, know everything that's going on.
I was just telling the staff here about some new exciting things that we have. Rivertown Adventures is the new kayaking on the Grand River, so we're getting CTAs to experience that and go out and test that out, because experiencing Lansing from the riverside, how exciting would that be?
Is there a cost to becoming a CTA?
It's a very minimal cost of $20, and then if you want to register for the class, you go to ctanetwork.com. It's a national program that we're affiliated with, so there's lots of ability to network around the nation with our other destinations and get ideas from them. So we're tied into a pretty big program that over 10,000 people are ambassadors around the country, so we're proud to be a part of it.
So once you become a CTA, how do you stay a CTA?
So it is a certification, and you can carry that after your name on a resume or a business card. So you have to recertify each year, and you need to get 50 points. And you get points by visiting the state capitol, 10 points. Attending another attraction, 10 points. Very easy to do.
We put the website up on the screen, so if people want to become CTAs, they can. Thanks for joining us, Julie.
Thank you.
That's all our time for today. Make it a great day.